everyone, I'm at Tweetsie and 190 is rolling up right now. See those little box
I'm riding a horse, everyone. They're clearing the track so 190 has a straight path. I'm on 190, let's take a little ride.
Casey Jones, let's ride. All clear, Casey.
Here we go, folks. Be sure to stay in your seats. How about giving the people in town a wave and a big yee-haw? All right is the Tweetsie Junction, a handmade sign shop, an old-fashioned photo parlor, the Junction Store, and Sparky's Southwestern Barbecue. And you can see some entertaining shows at the pavilion. Over to your left is the Hacienda. We'll be having lots of great special drinks throughout the season, along with some other surprises.
Well, all I'm going to say is put him in jail, so you won't believe the telegraph I just read in the news.
What's that?
Four builders taken over by an notorious outlaw bad boy. He's the leader of the Dead Horse Gang. Now, according to the telegraph, he took supervised hostage, demanding a ransom of $1 million.
$1 million? $1 million?
What you heard about that, Sheriff? Callahan and I, we handle finances like this all the time.
general store. Let's take a look at these. Looks like we got a mouse mine in here. Come over here with me. As you can see, we got some of this stuff, the outline, the ghost train, the 12. Now I see something interesting. Come on. What do you know? Tweetsie Railroad. Got some mushroom stuff. Well, you know, I gotta use the bathroom. Whoa!
Well, howdy there, folks. Just don't look in here too good. I'm just sitting down here, just minding my own business, if you know what I mean. Yeah, reading some more catalogs. By God, they got some good advertisements in here. Keeps the man's mind occupied, except for what he's doing. It wouldn't hurt to have a extra wind in here to get a little get some light in here too.
Alright now, over here in the gun section. Alright, we're over here in the gun section and show you a couple of guns. Got here one of those big ones. Over here. Let's crack this thing. Oh, I already cocked one. Alright, now we got one of the pink ones for a little
You know, I think I should drive this train, the Yukon Queen. Engineer Denton, clear the way. It's my turn to drive. Yep, I've got the controls. Oh, there's the firebox. Let's load it up. My turn.
Hi everyone. I just rode in the cab of 190 and blew the whistle. And so neat thing. Do you know that the engineer actually listens to the cowboys? He don't watch them. So there's a speaker where he listens, and where the conductor says all aboard, Casey Jones, let's ride. There's actually a speaker. So I realized in 190 there's a lot more space. Also, so when I blew the whistle, I kind of woo, 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 instead of the woo, woo. But the first time I went woo, woo, woo.
Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel, and I hope you liked the tour of the cab, 190, and the general store. Bye-bye.